To start off with this pizza, I'm going to line a pan with foil. I'm going to take my oil, spray it, and spread it around. Next, I'm taking these seasonings and I'm going to lightly season the tray. Here's the dough. I'm going to hand press it, and I made sure to get a little extra to make a lip on the edge. And then I'm going to add my pasta sauce, or my sauce. It's half pasta sauce, half marinara. Also add seasoning to this as well. Make sure to set your oven to 375. This is the bacon that I've been cooking. I'm gonna chop it up and sprinkle it on top of my pizza. And here's a close-up of the yummy bacon. So I forgot to mention, I put this in the oven with the sauce for about 10 to 15 minutes to help get the crust to be crisper. Now I'm gonna add my toppings. I start with pepperoni, and I add cheese, and then pepperoni and cheese again. I forgot to mention, I sprinkle the bacon between the layers of cheese. Now that I've done my final layer, I'm gonna add the same seasonings I used for the crust to the top. My Italian seasoning, and then my garlic powder. Now that I've got everything seasoned, it's gonna go back in the oven at 375 for about 25 minutes. And if you don't want as many layers, it'll probably take about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. I'll be back with the pizza real soon. See? This is the final pizza. I added a random extra pepperoni, but it is done. You want the cheese to be melted and a little golden, and your pepperonis to be crisp. And of course I had to cut me a slice. This is a deep dish. The baking sheet I used is not very deep, but it makes a lot of pizza. Did y'all see that cheese pool? One small baking sheet could easily make 4 slices, which is enough to feed 2 to 4 people. I had to top it with some Parmesan. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it or leave a comment. Let me know if you want to see more food videos.